Exercise C4. Unit rates. 1. Express the following as a unit rate, rounded to 2 decimal places if necessary. A. $5.50 for 8 liters of gasoline. Usually we describe unit rates with money as how much money does it cost for each unit of volume in this case. So you divide $5.50 by 8 in this order to get 69 cents or $0.69 per liter. B. $24.95 for 12 golf balls. So once again, we want to find out how much each golf ball is. We divide the total amount of money, $24.95, by 12 balls to find out $2.08 is the price of one ball. C. 1,200 kilometers driven in 20 hours. To relate distance and time, we usually refer to the unit of speed, kilometers per hour. So that unit tells you we are going to divide distance by time. So 1,200 kilometers divided by 20 hours is 60 kilometers per hour. Number 2. Given the unit rate and quantity, calculate the total amount. A. 24 books at $12.67 per book. So the $12.67 means each book costs this much money. So we keep repeating this number for each book that we add to the number of books that we want to buy. As a result, this is a multiplication of 24 books but times that by $12.67 per book, which results in $304.08. B. 362 grams of meat at $3.62 per gram. So 1 gram of meat costs $3.62. So if I have 362 grams of meat, you multiply that by the unit rate, and the result is $1,310.44. Number 3 is a multiple choice question. The chart shows the volume and cost for different brands of apple juice. Which brand costs the least per milliliter? Different volumes are given here. So the easiest way to compare these prices is to find the unit rate, how much it costs for 1 milliliter of juice. So you have to divide, remember, the money by the volume. So $1.50 divided by 500 milliliters is $0.0030 per milliliters. So you repeat these steps, so cost divided by volume, to find the unit cost of all 4 brands of apple juice, and to find that answer D, or brand number 4, is the least expensive. Number 4 is also a multiple choice question. Envelopes are sold in different size packages. Which package has the lowest cost per envelope? So once again, we need to figure out how much it costs for each envelope, because these packages come in different sizes. Unit cost is calculated by dividing by the dollar amount by the number of envelopes in each package. So here are the unit costs. And so again, D is the least expensive or the most economical option. Number 5. Marco is buying 16 mangoes. 2 stores offer the following deal. Store A, sell 5 mangoes for $5.10. Store B sells 12 mangoes for $9.99. Marco can buy mangoes individually. A. How much will Marco pay at each store if he buys 16 mangoes? This is a very long question. Well, in order for us to compare the price of 16 mangoes from each store, it might be a good idea to first figure out how much it costs to buy one mango. What is that called again? Right, that's the unit rate, a unit price. So store A, because they sell 5 mangoes for $5.10, you divide the dollar value by 5, the number of mangoes, works out to $1.02 per mango. So now to calculate the cost of 16 mangoes, you multiply 16 mangoes by the unit rate, $1.02, to get a total of $16.32. You follow very similar procedures. For store B, calculate the unit price. So the total amount of money that you pay, divide by the number of mangoes that you buy, works out to 83 cents per mango. And then to calculate the cost of 16 mangoes, multiply that by 16. So you have to pay $13.28 from store B. And part B of the question asks, how much will Marco save if he buys 16 mangoes at store B? So now we have to do a comparison. We have to subtract how much price you're paying from each store. And now you can tell that he can save $3.04 to buy from store B. Number 6. 2 stores are advertising specials on canned soups. Store A sells 5 cans for $13.25. Store B sells 3 cans for $7.47. Canned soups are sold individually. How much less would 20 canned soups cost at store B than at store A? Show your work neatly. So the format is very different here because you have empty space to answer your question. But this sounds like this question that we have just done in question 5. We need to find the price of 20 canned soups. So first, calculate the unit price from each store. So divide the price of soup, 5 cans of soup in store A by 5. They sell each can at $2.65. And then in store B, they sell 3 cans of soup at $7.47. So divide 7.47 by 3. You know that they are actually selling each can at $2.49. How much do you save per can? Well, the difference here is 16 cents. If I'm paying for 20 cans, if I save 16 cents for 1 can, then for 20 cans, I multiply 16 cents by 20, which works out to $3.20. So 20 cent cans will cost $3.20 less at store B. Number 7. The chart below shows the cost of water to fill a swimming pool. For each amount, you pay the same cost per liter. So there's a hint in the question already, because for every 10,000 liters of water, it costs $45. So if you need 20,000 liters of water, it will cost 2 times $45, or 45 plus $45, $90, and so on. Bob paid $68.22 for water to fill his pool at the same rate. So he pays the same unit price to fill his pool. Determine the number of liters of water he bought. Show your work. So in a sense, you can treat this question also like a proportion question. we can compare Bob needs X liters of water to the price he paid, $68.22, and make it equal to one of the given piece of information. Let's say we keep the small numbers, so we use the first row in the data table, 10,000 liters of water paid at $45. So cross multiply and then divide by 45 to get the volume of water Bob paid for. So we found that Bob actually bought 15,160 liters of water.